Summer is upon us. Sun's out, guns out, and by guns I mean your heavy artillery of sneakers in the rotation. So today I'm giving you my favorite sneakers that you should definitely consider chucking into that rotation this summer. And I'm not just giving you a top 3, a top 5, or even a top 10. Today I'm giving you my top 15 sneakers for summertime. This list is actually really solid. I've got something for everyone, not just hype sneakers, not just budget sneakers, but a real mix. Now before we jump into that sick list that I've created, I do want to give a special shout out to today's video sponsor, FARFETCH. Maybe you've been looking for a specific sneaker or clothing item that you just can't find anywhere online. Well, chances are you can find it at FARFETCH. FARFETCH is a marketplace that connects customers with the world's best brands, boutiques, and department stores. This makes for a super unique shopping experience and the most extensive selection of luxury items on a single platform. They've got a huge selection of Yeezys, Jordans, and pretty much any hard to find item. And if you use my code EP10YT at checkout, you'll get a 10% discount on your next order. You guys have probably heard of Stadium Goods before. They're definitely a trusted platform that has all of the premium sneakers and streetwear items. Well, FARFETCH actually acquired them, so they're essentially the same company. And what that means for sneakers is you can find the entire Stadium Goods inventory over on FARFETCH. Some of the most common things that come up when shopping online is always sizing and whether or not your sneakers are actually authentic. Well, FARFETCH has made this all super stress-free. Everything sold on FARFETCH is guaranteed authentic. It's gone through physical and technical inspections before it reaches you. And also buying with FARFETCH, you get access to their hassle-free returns policy, which is something that you don't often see online when you're buying sneakers of this caliber. So if a pair of sneakers or a clothing item just doesn't fit, you can send it back. In fact, you don't even actually have to send it back. Someone will come and pick it up, so you don't even have to go anywhere. I'm pretty sure that every single sneaker that you see in today's video can be found on FARFETCH. And if you want to use my discount code, again, EP10YT, it'll save you 10% off at checkout. Make sure you do that. And again, thank you so much to FARFETCH for sponsoring today's video, but let's get on with this list. Number 15 on the list is a sneaker that I've been telling you guys over and over again this year. It is a sick model that I have really grown to like, the New Balance 5740. When it comes to New Balance sneakers, you know that the quality and craftsmanship of the materials and the just construction of the shoes is gonna be A1. And with this 5740, they definitely do not disappoint. Personally, my favorite and the one that I've been wearing for a while is the Gray Day one. However, that one's a little bit harder to get your hands on. This one is definitely my second favorite, another banger colorway. It's a little bit darker, so I would say the perfect one for summer would be that Gray Day. However, this one is definitely a good option to check out. Number 14 on my list is definitely one that I've spoke a lot about and told you how much I personally like it, and it is the Yeezy 380, and the specific colorway that I'm gonna put at number 14 is the Alien Blue colorway. This is definitely one of the best colorways of the Yeezy 380 line. Again, a sneaker that I really like. Overall comfort, breathability. You want a nice sock-like fit for summer. Definitely the Alien Blue has to be on this list, and it sits right at number 14. Number 13 on the list is such a banger of a shoe that last year it was in my top 10 sneakers for the entire year. I can't exactly remember where it placed, but it was pretty damn high. It's a pair of shoes that I'm wearing right now, and that is the New Balance 327. There's collaboration options and a bunch of different fire colorways that you can find, some of them on sale as well. So for an already pretty budget friendly shoe sitting at about $100, this has to be a strongly recommended pair of shoes for the summertime. Personally, I wear mine all the time like I'm wearing them right now. They're comfortable, they look good. So I'm gonna slap these back on and let's move on to number 12. Number 12, we have a pair of shoes that I don't necessarily want to say that it's a sleeper, because this is a very popular pair of shoes. It just might not be one of the most popular within the sneakerhead community, and that is the Adidas Oswego, and I'm going with the Celox version. Now honestly, there's a bunch of different versions of the Oswego model. However, this Celox version is kind of like a futuristic take on an awesome sneaker. This particular one has a little pull tab. It's a nice vault color, again very bright, exactly what you want for the summertime. It's got relatively good materials. You can pick these up from a bunch of different places, a lot of times on sale as well. So for affordability, comfort and just staying fresh in the summertime, this has to be number 12 on my list, and I think a great option. Number 11 on the list is the Nike Blazer, and I'm going with my personal pick, which is the ready-made Blazer. However, I think the Nike Blazer in general is such a fire silhouette and a great one for this summertime. Now you can go for the low or the high. My personal preference would have to be the high, and again, like I said, this ready-made one is one I've been rocking and I absolutely love this silhouette. It's definitely not the most comfortable pair of shoes, but again, when it looks this cool, I'm definitely down to be rocking this one. Again, nothing wrong with a regular Blazer. Those are easy to pick up, and again, a super clean silhouette. Sitting right at number 10 is a sneaker model that we've seen really cropping up and coming up here in 2021, and of course that is the Adidas Forum Low. I've had the one without the strap, however, now that I'm getting the strap in, I actually think it looks pretty cool. I think the materials are insane. For the price tag of only $100, you really cannot go wrong with premium leathers, premium suede, and just overall a great sneaker at that price point. So definitely number 10 on my list. This is a highly recommended option. You can get the low or the high. Number 9 is the Nike Huarache. They have been making a huge comeback here in 2021. Now my personal pick and what I'm going to be putting at number 9 is the Stussy collaboration, specifically the Desert Oak colorway. That one is a banger. I wear that all the time. If you haven't tried a Huarache, it is insanely comfortable, or maybe you're someone who wore the Huaraches back in the day and you maybe just forgot how comfortable they are. I definitely recommend chucking them on. There's a bunch of different retro colorways that have come back. They are a great option as well. So number 9 for sure, the Nike Huarache. Number 8 on the list is a sneaker that I don't actually own the colorway of, so FARFETCH sent this one over to me to show you guys, and straight away after this video I'm going to be picking up this colorway because it is clean as hell, and that is the Air Force One Stussy collaboration. I love this colorway. I love the materials and just everything about it. I think the execution on this one is amazing. They've got some really nice soft leather for the sock liner. Of course, you have the heavy embroidery on the Nike swoosh and around towards the back. And just overall, I'm super happy with this pair of shoes, so I definitely recommend it, and it's one that, again, I'm going to be going and picking this one up straight away. All right, we're getting there. And at number 7 is the Nike Dunk Low and Dunk High. And a lot of the times the high version goes for a lot less on the secondary market. So I've got two of my personal picks. Of course, we're going to start off with the low, and it is the UNC Dunk Low. I mean, this just screams summer. It is such a clean pair of Nike Dunk Lows, but again, there's so many different ones. And you know what my Nike Dunk High pick is? It's this pair of SBs that just recently released. It is the Reverse Varsity Maze, and this one is clean as hell. These ones are not going for much at all. You can pretty much find these for about retail, but again, number 7 on the list has to be a Nike Dunk Low or a high, whichever way you choose. They're both very clean silhouettes. Number 6 on this list is like one of my favorite sneakers right now, and honestly, I just love this colorway so damn much, and it of course is the Nike Sacai Vapor Waffle in the Sesame colorway. The navy and the white just hit so well. Now, of course, we do have an upcoming pair of the triple white, and I'm gonna kind of put both of those colorways as my number 6 because they're both super incredibly clean and perfect for summertime. But right now, this is the one that I wanted to show you guys, and it is the Sesame, and definitely number 6 on my list. Number 5 on my list is again another double position, being the Jordan 4 University Blue and Tech Gray or White Oreo. Now listen, I haven't been able to hit a single freaking Jordan 4 this year, and this Tech Gray colorway particularly is one I'm going to be after heavy, but also the University Blue is a very clean pair of shoes to pick up. I'm going to be going for the White Oreo over the University Blue. I didn't manage to get either for retail, but overall these are two incredibly clean colorways of the Jordan 4, one of my favorite Jordan silhouettes, so it definitely has to be number 5 on my list. Number 4, we got another pair of Yeezys. Can you guess what this one is? It is a 700, and it is the 700 V2 blue cream. Definitely number 4 on my list, a very, very high recommendation from me. It's comfortable, it looks amazing, and again, one of the more hyped pairs of shoes on this list, but definitely one that I love wearing, and I assume some of you guys love wearing this one as well. All right, we're at number 3. Jeez, a top 15 is a lot of pairs of shoes, but I thought, you know what, let's go extra hard here in 2021. So now we got the top 3 places on this list. Now, I actually think you might be surprised by what's in my top 3 because I was a little bit surprised myself. And it's a pair of Jordan 1s. It is the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. There is something special about this Hyper Royal colorway. It slaps so hard. The white and the gray and this faded suede that you see mixed with the blue. I just think this is a super clean pair of Jordan 1s. Definitely a solid number 3 spot on my list. Number 2 on my list is one that I don't actually have with me here in the studio. It is at home because I've been wearing it a lot, and it's been a awesome pair of sneakers ever since I did the review on it. And of course, it is the Nike Waffle 1. This pair of shoes just came out of nowhere. Of course, I know it has the kind of Sacai waffle vibe, so a lot of people found that it became a little bit more hyped. It's a very versatile pair of shoes. You can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with joggers, jeans, whatever you want really. And I think personally this Summit White colorway, that's the one that I have, that's my favorite. But at number 2 on my list, it has to be the Nike Waffle 1, and if you haven't tried it out, I definitely suggest doing so. I need some energy for this number 1 because I guess maybe some of you are expecting me to pull this one out, and it is a very polarizing number 1 spot. Some of you may not agree with me, some of you will wholeheartedly agree with me for the number 1 sneaker for the summertime of 2021, and it is the Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colorway. It's extremely breathable. It's like a Croc, so it feels like heaven on your foot. Super comfortable. My favorite sneaker and my top recommendation for 2021 summertime is the Yeezy Foam Runner. Now listen guys, what do you think of my list? We're finally at number 1. We made it. I want you guys to let me know, what do you think of my top 15 list? Let me know what you guys are putting on your feet this summertime. Give me a top 3 down in the comment section. I'll be interested, and I'll definitely be down there checking what you guys are wearing. Now, I want to give a huge thank you to FARFETCH for not only sponsoring today's video, but also supplying me with some of the shoes just to show you guys on this list. And of course, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you for coming through, hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. You know I will catch you guys in the next one, but until then.